Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Saskia Merinda from the Economic Education Study Program 2024, Faculty of Economics and Business, State University of Jakarta. On this occasion, I will explain my opinion regarding one of the news, that is education spending in Papua is below 20%. This presentation is a final exam assignment for the English course with lecturer Mrs. Dr. Herlita Esos, MEC Dev, and Mrs. Yati Lastuti, SPD, MSE. So, the gist of the news is as follows. The Ministry of Home Affairs revealed that all provincial governments in Papua have not met the minimum 20% budget allocation for education, with West Papua being the lowest at only 3.59%. South Papua Province recorded the largest allocation but only 10.08%. This low budget is partly due to the impact of the expansion of new autonomous regions. Deputy Chairman of Commission 10 of the House of Representatives, Dede Yusuf, noted this data as a concern, given that the allocation is a constitutional obligation based on the 1945 Constitution and Law Number 20, 2003. The reasons for the low allocation of education spending in Papua are as follows. First, impact of DOB expansion. The expansion of DOB, or new autonomous regions, has forced Papua to reduce its fiscal capacity. Second, lack of priority. The Papua regional government does not prioritize the education sector. And lastly, inconsistency with constitutional mandate. The government is not implementing the mandate of the 1945 Constitution and Law Number 20, 2003 on the national education system. Then the impacts of the low allocation of funds for education in Papua are first, education quality is declining. Low budget for education will reduce the quality of education as well. And then inequality in education access. Inequality in access to education will be even more evident. And lastly, low Human Development Index, or HDI. The low allocation of funds for education will make it difficult to improve the welfare of the people in Papua. So, my opinion about this news is I totally agree with the news content that highlight the low budget allocation for education in Papua, which is a clear form of inequality in Indonesian education. In my opinion, this is wrong because it violates the mandate of the 1945 Constitution and Law Number 20 of 2003 concerning the national education system, Article 49, Paragraph 1. Well, this news is strongly related to the material that I have learned in this first semester, fiscal policy. So, the reason why this news is related to the fiscal policy is because fiscal policy includes the management of state revenues and expenditure to achieve development goals. In this news, the education budget is a part of government spending to improve the quality of human resources. The inability of local government in Papua to reach the 20% allocation shows weaknesses in fiscal planning and management. So that's all of my presentation about the news that related to the economic and education issue. Thank you so much for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.